Your body is not just aging. It's constantly trying to repair itself. Every second, your cells are producing energy, fixing damage, replacing what's worn down. But over time, something changes. Not because your body forgets how to repair, but because it doesn't have what it needs to keep up. And when that happens, aging doesn't just continue, it accelerates. But here's the interesting part. When you give your body the right inputs, some of these repair systems can begin to reactivate in as little as a few days. This isn't about reversing aging overnight. It's about something more realistic and more powerful. Restoring the conditions your body needs to function properly again. Because aging at a cellular level comes down to three things: less energy, slower repair, poor coordination between systems. So if you can support those three, you change the trajectory. Everything starts with energy, not the kind you feel after coffee, but cellular energy. Inside your cells are mitochondria. They convert nutrients into usable energy. That energy powers everything: brain clarity, muscle function, skin regeneration. But with age, this system slows down. One of the biggest reasons is the decline of NAD+. NAD+ is a molecule your body depends on to produce energy and activate repair pathways. And here's what most people don't realize. By midlife, NAD+ levels can drop significantly, which means your cells aren't underperforming randomly. They're underpowered. What you should do, practical. Start by supporting NAD+ production directly. NMN is one of the most studied precursors to NAD+. When you take NMN, your body converts it into NAD+, helping restore that internal energy system. This is why NMN has been associated with improved cellular energy, reduced physical decline, support for neurological function. Personally, this is something I include daily, using NMN from Do Not Age, because their formulations are clean and well-researched. Check for link in the description. You can amplify this effect by getting early morning sunlight, supports circadian rhythm, better mitochondrial function, avoiding late night eating, prevents energy disruption, eating enough protein, supports cellular repair. Once your cells have access to energy again, they don't just perform better, they start fixing what's been neglected. Because beneath the surface, your body is constantly dealing with damage. Not dramatic damage you can feel, but microscopic changes happening every single day. Every time you breathe the air exposed to sunlight or even think, your cells generate byproducts. Some of those byproducts are unstable molecules, what we call oxidative stress, and over time, they begin to affect your DNA. Now here's the important part. Your body already has a repair system for this. In fact, it's incredibly advanced. It scans your DNA, detects errors, and repairs them before they become a problem. But like everything else in the body, this system slows down with age, not because it disappears, but because it becomes less efficient. Think of it like this. When you were younger, your body was like a city with a full repair crew. Every crack in the road was fixed quickly. Every issue was handled before it spread. But over time, the crew gets smaller, repairs take longer, and small damage starts to accumulate. And that accumulation is what we recognize as aging. Not one big event, but thousands of tiny, unresolved problems. This is where sirtuins come in. Sirtuins are proteins that regulate how your body responds to stress and damage. They don't just react. They decide when and how your body repairs itself. Among them, one stands out: SIRT6. SIRT6 plays a critical role in repairing damaged DNA strands, maintaining the stability of your genome, regulating inflammation at the cellular level. It's not just part of the repair system. It's one of the key controllers of it. But here's what most people don't realize. As SIRT6 activity declines with age, your ability to repair DNA doesn't stop. It just becomes slower and less precise. And over time, that difference compounds. What you should do: instead of waiting for that decline to continue, you can support this pathway directly. SIRT6 activator is currently the only known compound that specifically activates sirtuin 6. And this matters because it's not a general antioxidant. It's targeted. It works at the level where repair decisions are made. By activating SIRT6, you're helping your body recognize damage more efficiently, initiate repair faster, and maintain cellular integrity over time. This is why I personally include it, specifically from Do Not Age, because they focus on compounds that are aligned with actual longevity pathways, not just surface level benefits. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. Repair doesn't just depend on one compound. It depends on the environment you create. Because even if your body is ready to repair, if damage is happening faster than repair, you're still falling behind. So you support repair from both sides. 1. Activate repair pathways like SIRT6. 2. Reduce incoming damage. Here's how you do that daily. Prioritize deep sleep. This is when your body performs its most intensive repair work. Cutting sleep short equals cutting repair short. Stabilize blood sugar. Frequent spikes increase glycation, which directly damages proteins and DNA. Reduce chronic stress. Elevated cortisol increases internal wear and tear over time. Avoid constant snacking. Give your body time to shift into repair mode instead of always processing food. Because here's the deeper truth. Your body is always trying to repair you, but it can only work with what it has. And when you provide energy day 1, activate repair day 2, and reduce interference, that's when the system starts catching up again. And that's the shift most people never notice. Aging doesn't suddenly reverse, but the rate of decline slows. Repair starts keeping up with damage again. And that's where real longevity begins. Not in stopping time, but in restoring balance. By the 3rd day, something subtle but powerful begins to change. Not dramatic, not instant, but noticeable if you're paying attention. Up until now, your body has been working in pieces. Energy here, repair there. But now, those systems begin to sync. Your cells are no longer just reacting. They're communicating. Energy production becomes more stable. Not spikes, not crashes, but steady output your body can rely on. Repair pathways don't just activate in bursts. They become more consistent, more efficient, quietly correcting damage in the background. And inflammation, which is often the silent driver of aging, begins to settle, not because it's being suppressed, but because the root causes are being reduced. Think of it like this. Before, your body was constantly putting out fires. Now it has fewer fires to deal with. So instead of reacting all day, it starts maintaining. And that's the shift most people never reach, because they interrupt the process too early. What's actually happening here is coordination. Your mitochondria are producing energy more reliably. Your repair systems have the resources to function properly. Your signaling pathways, hormonal, metabolic, cellular, are becoming more aligned. And when that alignment happens, your body stops feeling like it's constantly catching up. It starts operating ahead. What you should do, practical. This is where most people make a mistake. They feel a small improvement, and then they change everything again. But this stage isn't about doing more. It's about not disrupting what's working. Start with your meal timing. When you eat at random times, your body has to constantly adjust, releasing insulin, shifting energy, recalibrating. But when meals are consistent, your body begins to anticipate. Digestion improves. Blood sugar stabilizes. Energy becomes more predictable. Then, remove unnecessary interruptions, especially snacking. Every time you eat, you restart the entire metabolic process. But at this stage, your body is trying to complete cycles. Rise, process, reset. Frequent snacking cuts those cycles short. Spacing your meals allows your system to fully process, fully recover, and return to baseline before the next input. That's where real stability comes from. And then there's movement. Not intense workouts, not exhaustion, just consistent, intentional movement. A walk after meals, light resistance training, even standing and stretching regularly. Because movement sends a signal. Use the energy you've created. It improves glucose handling, supports mitochondrial function, and reinforces everything your body is already trying to optimize. So at this stage, the goal isn't intensity, it's alignment. You're not forcing your body to change. You're removing the friction that was preventing it from functioning properly in the first place. And when that happens, your body doesn't just improve, it stabilizes. And that's where real, lasting change begins. Here's the deeper truth most people miss. Aging doesn't begin when wrinkles appear, or when energy drops, or when something feels off. It begins much earlier, quietly and visibly, at the level of your cells, because every single day, your body is taking on damage, not all at once, but little by little. From the air you breathe, the food, you process the energy your cells produce. Even just being alive creates stress inside your system. And your body is designed for this. It doesn't expect perfection. It expects to repair. Every second, there are systems working in the background, identifying damage, correcting it, replacing what's worn down. When you're younger, this happens efficiently, almost effortlessly. Damage comes in, repair keeps up, balance is maintained. But over time, something shifts. Not because damage suddenly increases dramatically, but because repair slowly falls behind. Energy becomes less available. Signals become weaker. Repair processes become slower, less precise. And now, something subtle but important starts to happen. Damage is no longer fully resolved. It lingers. It accumulates. And that accumulation is what we experience as aging. Not just the presence of damage, but the absence of efficient repair. This is why two people can live similar lives, but age very differently, because it's not just about what happens to the body. It's about how well the body can respond to it. And this is where everything changes. When you restore cellular energy, your cells regain the ability to function properly. When you support repair pathways, your body starts correcting damage more effectively. Now you're not just slowing things down, you're shifting the balance from damage accumulating to damage being managed, from systems declining to systems adapting. And that's a completely different trajectory, because aging isn't a fixed process. It's dynamic, responsive, influenced by how well your body can maintain itself over time. So when you support energy and repair together, you're not forcing your body to act younger. You're removing the limitations that were preventing it from functioning properly. And in doing that, you're not just slowing aging, you're changing how your body experiences it. This isn't about quick fixes. It's about giving your body the conditions it needs to function properly again. Because when your cells work better, everything built on them, your skin, your energy, your resilience, improves with it. If you're going to support your body at this level, quality matters. These are the exact types of compounds I personally use mainly from Do Not Age, because their formulations are clean, research-backed, and aligned with longevity science. If you want to look into them, I've included the links in the description. Remember to share, like, and subscribe.